Tesla's remarkable rise has a hidden dark side that's rarely discussed. From engineering challenges to production nightmares, discover the untold story of Tesla's biggest internal struggle and why it matters for the future of electric vehicles. This deep dive reveals what industry insiders know but won't say publicly. When we think of Tesla, we think of innovation, electric vehicles, and Elon Musk. But beneath the glossy exterior and soaring stock price lies a critical problem that threatens the company's future, one that few people are talking about. Today, we're diving deep into Tesla's hidden engineering crisis, the growing complexity of their manufacturing process, and the mounting technical debt that could reshape the company's future. Let's start with a shocking statistic. Tesla uses over 10,000 unique parts in each Model 3. For comparison, Toyota's Camry uses about 30% fewer parts. This complexity isn't just a number, it's a ticking time bomb. The problem begins with Tesla's approach to manufacturing. Unlike traditional automakers who rely on decades of refined processes, Tesla chose to reinvent everything from scratch. This led to what industry insiders call manufacturing hell, a term Elon Musk himself has used. Here's where things get interesting. 1. The vertical integration trap. Tesla manufactures about 80% of their components in-house, compared to 30 to 40% for traditional automakers. While this gives them control, it also creates unprecedented complexity. 2. The software dependency. Modern Teslas run on over 100 million lines of code. That's more than a F-35 fighter jet. This massive software infrastructure requires constant maintenance and updates. But the real crisis lies in what engineers call technical debt. Shortcuts and compromised solutions made to meet aggressive deadlines. Here's how it manifests. 1. Manufacturing inefficiencies. Each Model 3 requires about 50% more labor hours to assemble than comparable vehicles. Production line changes often require complete reconfigurations. Quality control issues persist despite improvements. 2. Supply chain vulnerabilities. Tesla's unique parts requirements mean they can't easily switch suppliers or share components across models. This leads to higher costs, longer wait times for repairs, increased vulnerability to supply chain disruptions. The consequences are already showing. Consumer Reports consistently ranks Tesla below average in reliability. Repair times can stretch into months due to parts availability. Service centers are overwhelmed with increasing demand. But here's what makes this crisis particularly concerning. Tesla's approach to problem-solving often involves adding more complexity rather than reducing it. Each new feature, each new model, adds layers to an already complex system. However, there are potential solutions. 1. Standardization of components across models. 2. Increased collaboration with traditional suppliers. 3. Focus on manufacturing efficiency over new features. The question isn't whether Tesla will survive. They likely will. The question is whether they can address these fundamental issues before they become insurmountable. Tesla's story is a reminder that innovation comes at a price. The company's ambitious vision for the future of transportation is revolutionary. But the path to that future is paved with engineering challenges that can't be solved with software updates alone.